Today I'm going to show you something super exciting. How to type in Korean on your phone. You know what's amazing? Once you learn this, you can text your Korean friends, leave comments on K-pop videos, and even join Korean online communities. Ready to start this fun journey together? Let's go! Fighting! First things first, we need to add the Korean keyboard to your phone. Don't worry, it's really easy. I'll show you how to do this on an iPhone. So, if you're using a different phone, I've put instructions in the pinned comment below, so make sure to check that out. Okay? So, here's what you need to do. Turn on your phone, open your settings, find and tap on General button. Tap. Scroll down until you see keyboard button. Oh, here it is. And tap Add New Keyboard. After tap Keyboard and Add New Keyboard, and let's search Korean. Korean. See, there's Korean. Tap the Korean button and let's press Add New Keyboard and Standard. And done. That's it. See? Super easy. Let's go to the Notes app. We are going to practice typing here. First, let's begin with consonants. Start with 그. In the left side, 그. Also in the left side, 느, 드, 르, 무, 부, 스. Are you following me? And next one, circle shaped consonant, which is a placeholder. And then 즈, 치, 크, 트, 프, 흐. Please type by yourself, okay? Did you type it? Please type it by yourself, okay? And this is like LOL in English. In Korea, we use k sound consonant when something is funny. It comes from the sound k, like laughing sound. If something is a little funny, type this consonant 3 to 4 times. Like this. Yeah, it's just laughing. LOL. Like this. If something is very funny, then you can type a lot like this. Yeah, type it as much as you can. Next is this one. This is like haha. Haha. In English, we use the consonant which makes the h sound. Try using this when chatting in Korean and you want to put some warm vibe to your message. Now, let's type vowels. A, ya, o, yo. Vowels are in the right side. A, ya, o, yo. And next one, u, you, u, you, e. Great. And this one. This one looks like crying eyes, so we use it instead of a crying emoji. When something sad happens, try using this. And now let's move on to double consonants. You can find this by pressing the arrow button at the bottom left of your keyboard. Here. Can you see that? Let's try typing them. 끄. Again, press the arrow button and 뜨. Press arrow, 뿌. And then again, press arrow, 스. And the last one, 쯔. Got it? And now time for combined vowels. The first two are in the top right corner. 에, 에. They sound same, right? The next two appear when you press the arrow button. Press the arrow button and 예. Again, press the arrow button and another 예. Got it? Yeah, yeah. For the rest, we can combine two basic vowels. For example, wa is a combination of o sound vowel and a sound vowel, right? So when you type them one after another, they automatically combine together. Like this. O and a, they automatically combine together, so you can see wa. Like this. 우, 어, 워. 우, 이, 위. And then 우, 에, 왜. 우, 에, 왜. And another 왜. And the last one, 으, 이, 의. Got it? Great. Are you following me? Let me know if you have any questions, okay? Please type the questions in the comment, then I'll check it out. Now let's try typing words and sentences. First, let's type banana. Banana. So, pa. B sound consonant and a sound vowel. Pa. N, a, na. One more time. N, a, na. Pa, na, na. Next one. Pasta. P sound consonant and A sound vowel. So first type P. And then A. S. U. So second syllable, S. And then T and A. T, A. Ta. Can you see that? Pasta. Great. And next one. Pizza. P, E, P. And then J, A. 자. 피자. 피자 사랑해요. 오, 피자 맛있어요. 페페로니 피자 맛있어요. Next one. juice. G sound consonant and O sound vowel. 주. And then S. 으. S. juice. Let's type this sentence. 주스 마셔요. So let's type juice again. 주스. Take your time. 주스. Did you type it? And let's press spacebar and then 마, 무, 아, 마, 스, 여, 셔. The last syllable, the place order, and yo sound vowel. So, 주스 마셔요. 주스 마셔요. 마셔요. Wow, we typed the sentence. And next one, 체리. 체리. 치 sound consonant and 에 sound vowel. 채. And then 르, 이. 체리. Next one, 키위. 크, 이, 키. And there's the combined vowel in the second syllable. So type circle shaped consonant first, circle shaped consonant, and first U sound vowel, U, and then E sound vowel. Because this combined consonant is a combination of U sound vowel and E sound vowel. So we just typed kiwi. Great. Got it? Now it's your turn. Try to type this word, 사과. There is also the combined vowel in the second syllable. So try it. I'll give you 5 seconds. Great. 스, 아, 사. And then second syllable, 그 sound consonant. And in this case, O sound vowel and A sound vowel are combined together, right? So, 오, 아, 과, 사과. How about this sentence? Let's type 사과 again. 스, 아, 사. And then 과, 오 and 아, 과. And then let's press spacebar. And then let's type 먹어요, the second word. 먹어요. So, first syllable. 무 sound consonant and all sound vowel. And just add the final consonant like this. 먹. And the next syllable, 어. circle-shaped consonant and all-sound vowel. Next, circle-shaped consonant and yo-sound vowel. So we just typed 사과 먹어요. Great. 사과 먹어요. 사과. 맛있어요. Next word. 강아지. There is also the final consonant in the first syllable. So let's first type 그 and without the final consonant, and let's add the circle-shaped consonant, which is the final consonant of the first syllable walk. 강. And next syllable, 아. And the last syllable, 지, 지. 강아지. Next, the most important word. 사랑해요. 사랑해요. 스, 아, 사. And then 르, 아 with circle-shaped consonant in the final consonant. So let's add the circle-shaped consonant. 랑. And next one, 흐, 에. And then circle-shaped consonant with yo sound vowel. 사랑해요. 사랑해요. Next one. 귀여워요. 와, 귀여워요. It's cute. 귀여워요. There is a combined vowel in the first syllable. It is the combination of U and E sound. So, 그 first, and then let's type U sound basic vowel and E sound basic vowel. So we just typed 귀, and then 여. Again, there is also the combined vowel in the third syllable, circle-shaped consonant and U sound vowel and all sound vowel. So we just typed 워. And the last syllable, circle-shaped consonant and yo sound vowel. So 귀여워요. Cute. 귀여워요. When you see cute dogs or cats, you can post pictures in our community and write 귀여워요 like this. Oh, and if you haven't joined our community yet, check the pinned comment below. I'll invite you. And here's the last one. Let's type 안녕하세요. Great. 안녕하세요. So let's type it. First syllable, circle-shaped consonant, 아 sound vowel, and 느 sound final consonant. 안. And next syllable, 느, 여, and 응 sound circle-shaped consonant. 냥. Third, 흐, 아, 하, 스, 에, 세. And then circle-shaped consonant with yo sound vowel. 안녕하세요. 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 So you can type it like this. 안녕하세요. Great. 안녕하세요. Oh, by the way, have you seen this wave mark before? Let me type it. Let's go to the this part, and oh, here it is. This wave mark. Have you ever seen that? In Korea, we use it a lot. It makes your writing sound softer and friendlier. For example, if you want to say hello, like for example in English, hello. Oh, yeah, like this. Hello. In Korean, you can write like this. 안녕하세요. With this wave mark. Easy, right? Without this wave mark like this, it sounds like 안녕하세요. And with the wave mark, it sounds like 안녕하세요. Like this. Can you feel the difference? Great. So try to use this wave mark, okay? Great. Perfect. Now let's practice typing one more time. Go to the comments below of this video and try typing these three words. 안녕하세요. 사랑해요. 강아지. I'll pick one person who types them and give them a special gift. So, 화이팅! I'll check it out. And quick tip for computer users, if you want to type Korean on your laptop or computer, I recommend getting a keyboard with Korean letters on it, like mine. See how it shows both English and Korean? You can either buy a new keyboard or get some Korean letter stickers to put on your current keyboard. Both work great. So try it, and if you are already using them, then please put some review on the comment section for others. Anyway, now you know how to type in Korean. Your typing might be slow at first, but don't worry. With practice, you'll get faster. I'm also planning a 10-day typing challenge in our community soon. Look forward to it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment below practicing your new Korean typing skills. I'd love to see what you learned. So, see you in the next video. 잘 가요. Goodbye. 화이팅!